Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your TradingView chart back to its default settings, so you can start fresh and trade without any distractions from old indicators, drawings, or custom layouts. If this helps you, make sure to hit like so more traders can find it and learn these simple tips. First, open the chart you want to reset. Sometimes when you've been testing strategies or adding lots of indicators, your chart can get cluttered or confusing. The good news is that TradingView makes it easy to get back to a clean slate. At the top of your chart, look for the three-dot menu. Click it and you'll see an option called Reset Chart or Reset Layout, depending on your version of TradingView. Once you click it, the chart will remove all custom indicators, drawings, trend lines, and templates and return to the standard default view. This is perfect if you want to start a new analysis or make a fresh layout for a different strategy. Another tip is that you can save a clean default layout for the future. After resetting, go to the layout menu at the top of the screen. Select Save Layout As and give it a name like Default or Clean Chart. This way, anytime your chart gets messy, you can quickly return to this saved version without having to manually remove everything again. This also works really well if you're testing multiple strategies and indicators. For example, you might want one layout for moving average strategies and another for RSI and MACD setups. By resetting and saving layouts, you can keep everything organized and avoid mistakes from overlapping indicators, and that's it. Now you know how to reset your TradingView chart, save a clean layout, and keep your workspace organized. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want me to share more advanced TradingView layout and chart management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.